Hi everybody, David Dilling on behalf of Markzware. You'll see today we're up in Canva, the exciting and popular online design tool for many graphic artists and corporations and communities alike. Canva's great, but many people want to convert Canva to other desktop publishing file formats. Today we're going to show you how to do that with Markzware ConvertMarkz. You want to go over to your app section here, click on that, and you want to search for ConvertMarkz. There it is, click on it. You get this screen, and just choose Use an Existing Design. You can then choose a project you'd like to convert. I click in succession, Export to Convert, Export, Open Export, and then just telling you where you're going to the MarkzPortal from Markzware. Click Continue, and now you go over in MarkzPortal where you can set up a free account or just log in. Like I have already an account, just log in. Now what MarkzPortal does is create a preview for you. Preview's handy just to make sure you get the right file. Okay, now you just click over here on Export Formats. You get all different options. You go to Adobe InDesign, Affinity Publisher, QuarkXPress, IDML, PDF, but even to text, you can export the text with images to use in the AI to get a summary over on a ChatGPT without having to go through the whole document. In this case, we can say choose Affinity Publisher, or let's do Adobe InDesign. That's quite popular as well. We click that, and you just click Convert, and the conversion begins. Now we can download the conversion. It shows up here in your downloads, for instance, in Chrome. It's quite big because we extract all the images at resolution used and the graphics right from Canva onto your desktop. Now we can open this up. Now it's as easy as double-clicking the file, and it opens for us right up in Adobe InDesign. You'll have to replace or find missing fonts, and there you have it. Everything converted right on over from Canva right into Adobe InDesign. Now we go in there, we can edit text as we like. We can change elements as we like. It's a completely new document. So to get ConvertMarkz today, to convert Canva to Adobe InDesign like you just saw, or Canva to Affinity Publisher, same process, or Canva to QuarkXPress, Canva to many other DTP file formats, and write the text like you saw, search for ConvertMarkz in the app section and get Markzware ConvertMarkz today. If you have any questions, cruise on over to markzware.com or contact us on sales@markzware.com. Thank you, David Dilling from Markzware. Wishing you a fantastic day. Take care.